Well, once about Adrian back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to another banger review, another banger update.
Like me no know me, you wanna vice. Bad bitch in the car, she have my wanna bite.
Likkle Addi celebrate birthday bash at Mecca nightclub with the likes of Jamal and Tammy Lee. Happy birthday to Likkle Addi, vybzkartel son birthday bash. This is a good look for Likkle Addi, this is a good look for vybzkartel. If you see your vybzkartel son them enter the music scene, and from the enter the music scene, them been doing good stuff in the music and in the music scene. So big shout out to vybzkartel for the way how him grow him son them and thing. And again, talking about a moment with Tammy Lee Sparta sending a message to Masicka. Sparta stating that vybzkartel deserve his crown, that he have a conversation with vybzkartel in Malta. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box.
Deserving crown, let me see, bang, 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 bang. What do you got, Malta? I'm Mr. Boss. The piece of his clap him mosquito and wipe off the blood. He's some of his spirit. Mr. Boss. Not even you can tell me some of his spirit, man, he violate you. If I ain't gonna war, I'm gonna spear him, because I'm not get nobody in trouble. You understand? Where's the true Jesus of the spirit, mama say, alright. What is it? Anyway, the big mama with the can't touch them, he make Masicka, you like mosquito, so make time, everybody when we chat river, make less mosquito, you make plastic, you only know, never let them can't touch. Do you want me?
We can agree on Masicka running from a lyrical war with Tammy Lee Sparta. At this moment, this is really embarrassing for the crocodile them. This is not a good look for Masicka himself. Masicka need to do something about this, because this is definitely lyrical bullying. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box about this.
What I said I was in. You see me now, nobody a chat about where boss the answer now, mosquito. I tell her, where boss bigger than that. I'm over that alone can challenge cartel thing. No. Being the challenge bunty. Masicka teacher off. You have to war and get your own crown in a 5th generation. And start watching hell of them crown. All look for the big 50-year-old man a jump fence with rifle.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment box about what Tammy Lee is saying, that Masicka need to stop watching the elder them crown and war with him generation. Tammy Lee really picking a war with Masicka at this time, calling out Masicka. My question is Masicka scared to war Tammy Lee lyrically? Because from the time Devin the Doctor paint a big picture of Masicka being scared and a coward.
Besides him being afraid, him just can't reply cause boy ma go sing.
No little boy can't give Gaza a chance.
Nothing not done until it done. Tammy Lee Sparta said more lyrics coming in Masicka's clash. While some fans thought that the fiery exchange of words between dancehall hitmaker Tammy Lee Sparta and Masicka had ended. Tammy Lee Sparta said he's just getting started when asking why continuing the lyrical sparring given the seemed lack of engagement from Masicka, whose last song was Death Row. Tammy Lee Sparta pointed to the 2017 collaboration between vybzkartel and Masicka Infrared, released while vybzkartel was incarcerated. He claimed that the feature track boosted Masicka's musical career and that even vybzkartel waited his turn while the former dancehall king Beenie Man resigned. So Tammy Lee Sparta saying that the reason why I'm not gonna stop beat and teach Masicka, him saying that because Masicka trying to draw vybzkartel and he see that vybzkartel is a change man, so him say him young, so him a go beat and teach anybody a try draw out the teacher, because Masicka is totally wrong for what him did after what vybzkartel did to him career in 2017. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box.
Let's go.
Now we can see where Jabooks walk.
Nothing. What's a wall? Jabooks, what I mean? What's the style? No, it's not a move, Jabooks. Just make my artist. Cause Likkle Addi, Sean Stan and Likkle Addi Africa DJ. Make my artist sing there, legend. I decided to be label. Matsus Rowan.
DMX.
Final ready to my
DMX, already? All the DMX.
Yeah.
Big up to yourself in Jamaica. Likkle Addi, big up yourself. Enough love and respect. Because serious now, all of the people them who glad to know so Likkle Addi live to see today.
A lot of people in the comment box didn't like what Matsus did, saying that Matsus style Jabu. And the other hand, some people didn't matter about it because some people saying that Matsus have a reason to want this artist to perform first, to showcase his artist, highlight his new artist that he has signed to his own record label. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment. Now we can see where kHARGO is strongly advising young men to reduce heavy drinking, smoking and excessive sexual activity. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box. Let's take a listen.
Be ready. You understand? Your liver is the most important part in your body. One of them. And when you get up every day and just a drink and a drink and a drink and a drink and a drink, and I mash up the most important part. And your liver control everything in your body, you know. When the liver they go bad, everything doom. And the bag of liquor is the most dangerous thing for it, for your liver. And your liver do everything in your body. Keep you going. So me no bother with the bag of drinking. You understand? Anytime you see me put a little weight, I because me just lock up in the studio, make breakfast time pass, lunch time pass, dinner time pass, then you go near my night. So you put a little weight around your belly and around your face so, and then thing like. But that's not because you're not asleep, and because I mean a man like me sleep 90% of my time. Your liver, your kidney is very important. I tell her. And the bag of liquor we spot, I can see some man just blow it up and then can't because their liver and kidney gone. Remember say heart you can put in one other heart, you know, a machine heart, you know. But you see your liver and a kidney there. And liquor kill it. And the bag of smoking. No, I don't drink, I don't smoke. Me you have an imaginary spliff in my hand all the time. You understand? Just for image, because you know you have to look tough. Eh? You have to look tough, so we have an imaginary spliff in my hand. And sometimes when reggae music hit you, and you feel it pain. You understand? Me just now, no human being not perfect, me is just a man who just not eat right. If me did I eat right, me that look like me a 3-year-old. God know. Yeah. Let me see how so little you would come around me just 20. Mash up. Mash up already. No teeth, no good in their mouth. Them breath no smell good. Them no smell good. Their face tough. You understand? Lord Jesus. And one next thing we make the little youth them look older than 40 and them are just 19, 20. Because everybody so caught up in a people wealth. Remember say we take 30-35 years to get we start with them, you know, and them want to reach 20, don't have a skill, don't have a talent, don't have a trade. So they want it. So then sit up and I watch people Benz and people Beamer and covetous and it start consume them. So they start look older than their mama and daddy. Yes. No, me are people who part. You have got to have which part. Look 10 times all are you. You understand? Listen to me. Our next thing again. You can't act all. When you act all, it consume your dog.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys. We out.